Hello guys and girls and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Darkorbit bot. As you can see in the title of the video, this is both how to create it and how to run it. So first off, I'm just gonna start off with just getting some stuff ready for you guys. So make a new text document. Now you can call it whatever, just so it's not obvious for your friends or whoever that's watching you when you're playing your game. Now what you have to do is dash and then R2000. These are the coordinates because we took the map measurement in units, and dash E 4000, or minus as you call it. You can call it that, of course. Now what you have to do is give me a moment here. This is kind of awkward. I'm just using paint right here to illustrate something like where what we're gonna be getting, so I am certain that you guys know what we're doing. Okay, let me just find an image right here. So what we're gonna be getting is the standard bonus box. We're not gonna be messing with any values at all. The default value is at I think 0.98, 0.97. I don't know, but that's the box sensitivity that we're gonna be using. So I actually already edited a box. So let me just get that in here. Yeah, right there. So I'm just gonna drag this into the middle, and I'm just gonna throw in a couple of arrows so you guys know what we're getting. Now, as a programmer, I wouldn't say that this is right, but we all love breaking the rules, and sometimes you just don't want to sit at your PC for 20 to 40 minutes boxing because you have other stuff to do. And this is also the reason why I'm helping you do this right now. So just save this. Now we're gonna open up Word because we're gonna need to Word is actually a pretty useful tool here because we're gonna need to have this out in metadata. So what we're gonna do is, or actually metadata no, we're just gonna have to get some of the code out in another format. I don't really remember what the format is called. C# or some shit. Yeah, C#. That's it. So first I'm just gonna really quick remove this again because I pasted it in front of the text that we're gonna need. So I'm just gonna paste the text in, the lines, paste the image in, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and find our UID here. Give me a moment. Of course you guys can have a different UID, but I would just recommend going with the one that you get. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just press Control U. Was it? Yeah, it was Control U. Not your use ID, but SID. And yeah, I was searching for my name in the scoreboard. So you're just gonna go down to the line that says UID, normally line 100 and something, 180, 195, and you're just gonna copy your DOS ID, DOSID, classic. Now go to the front of that, and you just have to write /start, and it should just prompt the browser to start. Now this is the point where it gets pretty tricky, where I will be linking a Word doc, actually just a document at the bottom, so you can fix the files, or I'm just gonna be uploading mine depending on what mode you want it on, because I'm gonna be running it on slow mode so it doesn't instantly crash or do something weird, because many people don't have a strong PC. So yeah, let's try not to break some PCs. All right. because I don't wanna be the guy you know they pin down tomorrow and go, hey, you broke my fucking PC, you stupid idiot. So please be cautious when you load these files in, and please don't alter any of the document text and stuff, because that might actually kind of ruin the script but also overload the script, and then that can result in 3 different things. 1, your script crashes. 2, your game crashes or your browser crashes. And 3, your PC crashes. Now the third one right there, we don't want that one. The browser can crash as much as it likes, but the script will still work, so that's fine. And the script, yeah, we don't really care about that as long as it works. So what I'm gonna be doing here is I'm just gonna be saving it. Yeah, desktop. My computer is in Danish, so you won't be able to understand. Or if you're able to understand it, good for you, by the way. Yeah, I'm just gonna name it Darkorbit Bot and save it on the desktop. Now it's right there on the desktop. It's just, yeah. Now, if you have useful tools such as Notepad++, you might want to use that at this point. Or actually, you won't actually need to use that, because I will have fixed the parameters in Notepad++. Yeah. So this is kind of it, really. At this point, there's only like one thing to do. It should be working now, and of course it's on slow mode, so it's gonna be taking a lot of time to detect the minimap. But what you have to do is just run it and just, you know, disable your background and just jump into the map you want to jump into. And then it will, what it's gonna do is it's gonna move you around the map. So make sure you have your pet available, because I haven't gotten any further than, you know, making it just detect the map and move you around the map so your pet can collect stuff. Yeah, it's kind of weird, but it does that sometimes. And sometimes you're lucky, it just randomly clicks a box. I'm still working on the code, but I will be uploading and updating it frequently, so you guys can come back and download it when I'm done. So yeah, now I'm just gonna jump into the map, and as you can see, there it already goes. So the current map is just set to the first map it detects when you jump into it. What you can do is, yeah, it just flies you around basically. If you wanted to enable cloaks and stuff, I can do that as well. Just post a comment saying that you want that to happen, and I will be doing that. But yeah, this is everything I've got for you guys today. So I hope to see you next time, and stay updated.